Hello everyone, my name is Kavya. I'm going to talk about the topic diode lasers are used as light switch in industry and it can be used as product detection. Diode laser basically is a semiconductor device similar to light emitting diode in which a diode pumped directly with electrical current can create lasing conditions diode junction. Properties of diode lasers are efficiency. Diode lasers are highly efficient. Wavelength tunability. The wavelength of diode laser can be easily tuned. Small size. Diode lasers are typically small and compact. Low cost. Diode lasers are relatively inexpensive to manufacture. Long lifetime. They have long operating lifetime. High power. Diode lasers can produce high power outputs. Fast modulation. Diode lasers can be rapidly modulated. Beam quality. Beam produced by the laser is typically highly divergent. Laser diodes can be used as switches in industry in variety of applications, including telecommunications, data transmissions, sensing, and industrial control. In telecommunications and data transmissions, laser diodes are often used as switches in fiber optic networks to control the flow of data through the network. The laser diode acts as the light source that is turned on and off rapidly to transmit information as a series of light pulses. Overall, the versatility and precision of laser diodes make them useful as switches in a wide variety of industrial applications. There are few types of diode lasers used as light switches in industry. The most common is neodymium doped yttrium aluminum garnet. Diode lasers can also be used as product detection in variety of applications such as in the food and pharmaceutical industries. One common use in the barcode scanning where the diode laser is used to scan the barcode on the products and which then provides information such as the product name, price, and inventory. Overall, diode lasers are versatile tool for product detection in various industries and applications. Thank you.